Welcome viewers. Today our regular host is not been here. Today our recipe is crispy chicken fry. We have bought 500 grams of chicken. All are chopped into small pieces. You can see this is 500 grams, and few other ingredients are also been here. One by one we can show. uh, First, tomato sauce needed. Before that I'm telling you that we are not staying regularly like you at home. Basically we are from hostels, that is our arrangements are not so good unlike you. So we had arranged, we all students, mostly students have been here, so our arrangements are very cheap. So kindly pardon for that, but the recipe will be uh, definitely mouth watering. And second, next item is 3 eggs needed. Then turmeric, jeera, cumin, you say cumin, salt, red chili powder, dahi or curd, needed half uh, lemon, paste onion, and paste garlic and ginger garlic paste. And you need little of vinegar. This one is vinegar. This one, biscuit. This is a you can say biscuit, powder biscuit, and arrowroot is also needed. And we have some cornflakes. How much quantity needed? 100 grams? 50 grams. 50 to 100 grams needed. And this one? This is masala. Okay, so we will start, and garam masala and all chicken masalas are also needed to prepare it. So we will carry it and we will show step by step how to prepare it. We are start mixing all ingredients with the chicken. Start. And one by one drop haldi or turmeric, cumin or you say jeera powder, salt is needed as per taste. Okay, and then drop some chili powder, how much you can consume. Next, curd, squeeze the lemon, the paste of garlic and ginger, and we also include the onion paste also. Sahi garam masala, drop sahi garam masala on it. As well as chicken masala is needed for taste. One packet is enough. And next add some tomato ketchup sauce. Now mixing it properly. And the thing is that after mixing this with all ingredients with the chicken, you have to keep for 30 minutes. 30 minutes is enough. Marinate it. I mean, you have to marinate it. That a pulp is created. Now chicken and other masalas, or you say the requirement ingredients that we had earlier shown to you. The pulp is ready, and keep it 30 minutes for marinated properly. We will come again. This is almost done. We keep it for half an hour. Now we are adding something more ingredients. This one is baking powder, white one. You can see it's around 10 grams, 5 to 10 grams. You can add. Then arrowroot. This one is arrowroot. We are going to add almost 100 to 150 grams. We are adding with it. And this one is that biscuit powder, smashed biscuits we have added. Got it, gram? 100 grams, around 100 grams we are added. And again mix it properly with that marinated chicken and other ingredients what we had earlier made a pulp. And we are going to add cornflakes. Why we are adding cornflakes? You can speak in Bengali also. Why we are adding this cornflour?
For munch fifth day.
Oh, for making it more crispy, we are adding cornflour. It is available in all the shops. You can get it nearby your shop. In grocery shops, you need at least 100 grams, 50 to 100 grams is enough. Smash it properly. We are smashing it because of making it proper crispy. It will soak the water and helps it to make it crispy. And make another pulp, mixing all the ingredients. All the ingredients are already put. Any more salt needed? Any?
Depend on taste.
Salt, as I had already told you, it's needed as per taste. So no more salt is. We are not adding any salt.
Vinegar.
Now we have put some vinegar. Almost 50 ml we had put it. Some more ketchup are adding. Mixing it properly. Then we need to keep it more 5 minutes for marinade. You can see the pulp is ready, and we keep it for 5 minutes for marinating. We have put uh, oil on the kadai for fry the ingredients, as I had told you, that crispy chicken fry. The mustard oil, we are using mustard oil around 250 to 30 grams, 230 grams as per need. uh, uh, it's boiling, we are waiting for boil it properly. Let's watch. Now we take one by one chicken pieces and make it round and round and put it on the boiled oil. You can see this from here. I'm just zooming it out. uh, and fry it till it turn deep brown or red, you can say, for almost, it took some time. বন্ধ হয়ে যায় না, বিশাল রেজাল্ট।
তেলটা যখন আছে তখন সব কিছু আছে।
Our frying process is going on. You can see these are we are bring out two of chicken, crispy chicken, and these are too much deep fried because of that our chicken pieces are boiled at least. That is why we made it much deep fry. I will show you properly this one. Yeah, now this way you can see the color has turned to brown, deep brown. Yeah, now bring out one by one. I will show you. You had already put a few more chicken crispies, and they are almost done. The flame should be at normal, so that all the chickens are boiled properly, because it's in under the pulp. That is why we need to fry it deep, and it helps to boil it properly. And second, and one more important thing, that what I had not yet told, these things are actually we are trying to copy KFC chicken fry, crispy chickens, unlike KFC and all other restaurants how they had made, though our finishings are not like them, but the taste is definitely like that. And hope after watching this your mouth watering started. So keep watch, or we will show you more and more. Chaat masala I have prepared just some times ago. It's totally homemade. The ingredients are salt, cumin powder, or you can say jeera masala, red chili, and black pepper, as well as I used some few more things which are added, and it's totally homemade and very hygienic one. You can use with this crispy and fried chicken, all are come out from the oil, and now this is ready to eat. I had prepared, uh, it's ready to serve. You can see the colors properly one by one. These are deeply fried and turned into deep brown. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please watch our channel. We will bring some more videos in coming days. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and uh, like the videos, and please request made some comment about it, and if you have some queries, please put there. We will uh, give your answer accordingly on your questions. Thank you very much once again.